Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your 2022 love and work forecast charms reading for Taurus. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Friends, join us on Instagram. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So let us see, friends, Taurus, how your what is the theme for the year 2022? Then we'll see your love life, then work, and the charms. Okay, so let us see, uh, you know, Taurus. What is the theme of the year of 2022 for Taurus? Sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, Taurus. Theme of the year 2022. Oh wow, Four of Cups. So definitely this is a year of, this is a year where you can relax, enjoy your life, friends. I do feel this is a year where you can count your rewards and sit back and relax in life. The year 2022, what is the theme? Ace of Cups. Oh my God. So a new love is coming for you, Taurus. A new love, a new romance is coming for you, Taurus. It also feels like a new start is coming for you. In love, there is a new start for Taurus, and I also feel this can be a reunion that will happen in the year of 2022. For some of you, it could be a new life purpose coming for you, a new start, a fresh new dawn coming into your life, Taurus. I also feel for most of you, it is a wedding sign, like some of you will be getting married in the year 2022. So, yoo-hoo, congratulations. Also, this is a year where you can enjoy and relax. I think last few years have been really really difficult for you, Taurus. So this is the year where you can actually relax, enjoy your life, and focus on uh, the emotions. Focus on healing yourself and your emotions. The theme of the year 2022. So this is definitely a new start for you in many many ways, and I feel this new start is not just in love. It is also in your work life, like you finding your meaning, life purpose. You finding purpose. Finding meaning in life again. Finding your faith back. So this is wonderful, and oh my God, the Wheel of Fortune, it is a big year for you, Taurus, absolutely, and a very, very lucky year. So, you're extremely lucky in the year 2022. I also feel some of the things will be shifting or changing for you in the way like you could be having a change of luck, change of heart. Big changes are coming for you, but all these changes will lead to positive start, positive growth for you. Money is also coming, and some destined meetings will happen for you, Taurus. Like, something destined will happen, and it will bring luck and happiness and emotional fulfillment for you. I also feel the first half of the year might be a little slow for you, Taurus. There's a lot of dust here. I don't know. I think there is a dust storm in coming usually for us nowadays. I don't know why this is so. We never had dust storms, but it's so dusty, friends. I can't tell you. I'm even getting cold because cold. What you call cold flu? I don't know, because of the dust which is constantly around us. God bless. I hope you all are well, because we are in some crazy weather system. Oh, God bless. So, friends, for Taurus, the year will be the first half of the year will be slow, but then things will pick up and things will get exciting. So, yes, luck is with you. It is a month of year of destiny for you, year of luck, year of a new dawn for you, Taurus, and it is a life changing year for you. Let's see your love life for Taurus, the love life for the year 2022, the first half of the year 2022. The Eight of Wands, the Strength. Oh wow, the Star, beautiful. Love life for Taurus. We'll also be seeing the charms, friends, so don't worry. You have a lot of major arcanas coming out, friends. In fact, all the cards are coming out as major arcanas. It's as if there are no other cards in this deck, but all the cards are all, there are all the cards here. It's the full deck, so all the major arcanas came out for you. I don't know what's going on for you, Taurus. It's a bigger year than I have said. It is you should save this reading because you will need it, friends. It is I can't even define how big this year is for you and how profound, how important it will be. Many things will happen. Let's see your love life in the first half of the year. Eight of Wands. I do feel, friends, in the first half of the year, communications will be extremely strong in your love life. You will be meeting a new person or a destined connection if you are single. If you are in a relationship, you could be reuniting with a person. Communications will open up again. I also feel that in the first half of the year, your love life is more passionate. You want to communicate, you are more ready to communicate, other person is also more ready to communicate. Your relationships are extremely strong. The strength card, your relationships are really, really strong in the first half of the year. There is a lot of communication, a mutual love and attraction. For many of you, this is with a new person. For others of you, this is with your married partner or the person you are currently with. The star, yes, the first half of the year will be extremely romantic, very lucid, very dreamy for you, friends. Look at that, the star. This card is so pretty. I don't know why there is a reflection because these cards are, very, they're beautiful actually. You look at that. You can actually see a star like here rising above, right? So the first half of the year, there is love, there is romance, there is a lot of wish answered prayers, wishes coming true in your love life. If you are single, a new person is coming. If you are already in a relationship, you can expect a reunion or a twin flame returning back. Also, it is a very telepathy will be very high in your relationship. So let us come to the mid of the year for Taurus in your love life. I feel like in the mid of the year, some challenges will happen in your love life, friends. I'll be honest here. You may feel like your person is cheating or backstabbing you, or they are playing politics, or someone will play politics in your love life, Taurus, and you have to keep that in mind because there could be third parties, there could be family or friends. Also, there could be a person who is acting in a way where you feel suspicious, where you feel they are doing politics, they are backstabbing you. So you have to be careful. The Tower, yes, things will be shaky, things will be developing very quickly in the second half of the year in your love life. Your relationships will be tested in the second half of the year, Taurus. So something sudden may happen. You may break up, you may move out. It feels like you may separate with a person, or you may just, separate with people around you. Like you may go on a vacation with your partner, like leaving family and everyone else behind because, you want some space, you want some me time with your partner because external influences will affect your relationships. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person in this year, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this year. Your relationships are definitely tested in the second half of the year, but if you keep your patience, if you are wise and mature, you can definitely save your relationships, or your relationships can be saved if you take a calm approach. If you are hasty and quick, things can lead to more fire and damage. So in the second half of the year, Taurus, you will have to be patient, and you might have to forgive or let go, forgive your partner, overlook their mistakes, because that's how it is. I'm sorry, but that's how it is. Let's see the final the final half of the year. All right. You will be having some, your partner could be dealing with anxiety. Your partner could be dealing with anxiety, or you could say, depression, stress, some sort of a stress. Your partner could be going through some mood swings in the last half of the year. You may also be a little nervous where things will headed. Will you get married to your person or not? Three of Pentacles, yes, your person will finally start to cooperate with you. They will finally be more open and expressive and communicative towards you. So, yes, things will be coming back on track after this topsy-turvy mid of the year. The Emperor, yes, your person will definitely take stand for your relationship. They will stand with you. They will be there for you. I also feel you will also take a leadership role. You will lead in your relationships, Taurus, because that is exactly what you want to do. And the Temperance, yes, finally your relationships will be falling back in balance. and there is love and there is joy coming back in your love life. But in the second half of the year, some of you, if you are married, your relationships or marriage can be tested. So please take care, because all is not lost. You can still save this relationship. So let's see the advice for you. Advice for our Taurus for the year 2022. Patience, exactly. This is exactly what I was telling you. You will need your patience, friends. You will need to keep your patience in the year 2022. I know you don't want to hear that word because you're already quite patient, Taurus. But this is a year where patience will do you good. And spiritual union, yes, there is going to be a spiritual union, a twin flame union. Also meeting your other half, your better half, your husband, your wife will happen 14th of February, or number 14th and February, or the number 14, number 2 are important. Firm foundation, Four of Wands. Marriage is very, very important for you. Marriage, commitment, long term success. You want a relationship which is rooted. You don't want anything which is shaky. You want a long term commitment or a spiritual commitment, at least 100% commitment from the other person in the present moment. And you are exactly going to get that, friends. So don't worry, Taurus, don't worry. Let's see your work and career. Let's see that. Work and career for Taurus in the year 2022. The Seven of Wands, the Fool, the Hanged Man. Wow, you have a lot of major arcanas, Taurus. Five of Pentacles, the Five of Wands. Interesting, very interesting. So let us see. Seven of Wands. You're very close to achieving your goals, Taurus. So please do not give up. I know you have been through a lot in the past. You have really, really worked hard, and you are really tired of working hard and achieving less, having less money. You're really tired, but in the year 2022, you are very close to achieving a financial or career goal. So keep at it. Don't give up. The Fool, yes, a new start will happen for you, friends. Some of you could be leaving the city and country, shifting and relocating to your new place for your work and career. Some of you could also be starting a new course or study in some another city or country. Also, some of you could be finally joining a new college, or getting clearing an exam you always wanted to. So something new will start for you. You may be connected with this, or you may be not connected with this new line of work, but it will be a very lucky career for you. The Hanged Man. Friends, yes, you need to keep an open mind about your career, your studies, and your success in the year 2022. You will have to try the new things. You will have to keep an open mind. The old and the comfortable, success will not begin in your comfort zone, Taurus. In the year 2022, you have to keep an open mind, and you have to make the most of the new situations, new ideas, new learning, new things. New is the answer for you. The better the new, you must have to go for it, even if you do not like it. Uh, some of you may feel forced to be stepped out of your comfort zone, but it will be a lucky change for you. It will bring in a lot of money and success. Also, some days you will feel your career is going slowly, but then it will pick up pace, because that is how the theme is. Some days it will be slow, and then other days it will be so fast. You are like, what's happening? The Five of Pentacles. Yes, you do have some money issues right now, friends. You are feeling like money is not coming, or no matter what you do, money is always less, but it will resolve. The first 3 months of the year will be starting slow. There will be again slow money coming in, but after, I feel, May, April, May, things will pick up. After April, May, you will see a lot of money coming in. Five of Wands, competition is extremely high. If you are a student, friends, please work hard. There is competition, and please be careful in whom you trust, especially if you are a student or if you are learning something. Be very, very careful. There are people who are in high competition with you. You're very competitive, you're very passionate about your dreams this year, friends. So it's a good year. I see a new life purpose, I see a new money source coming in for you, and you stepping out of your comfort zone. So let us see some advice for our beautiful Taurus. Power and intention. Yes, friends, your power is increasing, Taurus. Congratulations. You are going to connect with your power in the year 2022. Also, intention. Yes, anything you want, you will be able to achieve it. You are extremely lucky. You are very fortunate. And sacred plan. There is a sacred plan in your life. Please do not feel that you are lost, or, there is no plan, there is no purpose for you. You have a life purpose, you have a higher purpose, and there it is right now manifesting in your life. Please just give it some time, so that it can be shown to you what is your life purpose or why is certain things happening. Forgiveness and understanding. Yeah, you have to be forgiving in this year, friends. You have to forgive some people from the past, or you have to forgive yourself, friends, because you have been through a lot. So let us see the charms for the Taurus for the year 2022. Okay, anything else? All right. So we have okay, let me just separate so we can focus quickly on them, so we don't have to waste. Boy, so maybe some of you could be attracting a baby, like some of you are getting pregnant or getting pregnant. I feel that pregnancy fertility is important. Boy, somebody named Boy, or somebody, maybe you call somebody lovingly as Boy. Hey boy, how are you? Something like that. Danny Boy, Danny Boy is a Scottish word, generally. Danny Boy, it's also a song also. So BOF are the initials for you, friends. Lord Ganesha, extremely lucky, friends. You're extremely lucky. This is a very, very prosperous year for you, so don't worry. Unicorn, your intuition will be very high. Your wishes will be coming true. And look at that, you have two snowflakes. So this is the year, you will attract somebody who is exactly like you, and this your twin flame, your soulmate, or you will have whatever you want, you will achieve it, friends. Like two wishes will come true for you in this year. Also, you will attract somebody exactly like you, and this is a divine gift for you. Music, yes, music is extremely important for you. Some of you could be attracting a musician, an artist, a creative person. Also, some of you will be going into the fields of art as profession. Bunny, you are very passionate, friends. Passions are super high in this year. Peace is very important for you. Forgiveness. The black horse, you're extremely strong, you are a leader, and also you are extremely protected this year, so don't worry. The leaf is about money. I feel like money coming in. There is a heart, silver heart. Yes, love is coming your way, and it is like a joint heart, like you can tie a thread around it. It's like a, so it is like, you are uniting with somebody. The twin leaves, twin flames are important. You may also have a twin babies or something like that. Twin jobs. Flower. Peace is very important for you, friends. Also, this year you may be a little sensitive to other people, so keep yourself safe. There will be gossip or there will be third parties which may affect, so don't listen to them. Teacup. Yes, friendships, beautiful dates, meeting people is gonna happen for you. You are extremely lucky. The hat, yes, I do feel, friends, a new romance, a beautiful, loving connection is coming your way. If not a romance, it could be a friendship. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, male. You see, oh my god, there is a couple right here, the King of Cups, the Queen of Cups. So you do have like somebody extremely similar to you. Two of Wands, someone very mature, someone very Dynamic, Three of Coins, very helpful person. This year you will find a lot of support. Knight of Cups, yeah, I do feel that you may have choices in love. Somebody your age and someone younger is also coming. Money is very important. You're also money lucky. And again, look at that. Father is very important for you, friends. Father in law, father, cow, motherly energy. Yes, you need to protect yourself, friends, and take care of yourself. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic Z saying bye bye.